Holy shit. Bobby.
There
you go. You just,
It's behind the barrier. Whatever it is.
you can just tear it open.
It's behind the barrier.
No, it ain't. Just tear it.
A refrigerator.
It's a new fridge for down here. You don't have to go in the garage no more.
You're kidding me, right?
Bobby. Quit.
Oh, you gotta
Take
get
a
over
video.
here. Y'all gotta go and get over here.
What is this?
I don't know. You just have to see.
Holy crap!
Wow!
Holy crap! Where did you get that?
What do you think about that?
Holy crap! It's for real.
Hold on here.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You know what? We can make some money at a party with this thing. Look, it's got credit.
Sounds like Vegas.
This is the shit. This is the bomb.
There you go, then.
Holy crap! You know, at parties, we can make some money.
Yeah, but you can lose money too.
I doubt it.
Then you can just open back up and get all the money out.
So, did you put this money in there? There's 182 quarters in it.
Well, look at them, the winnings.
Oh my god, that's awesome. So, how does it pay out? I mean, like if someone were to hit double, double, double.
Well, you just hit cash.
Oh my god. That is